Evident helps good independent law firms win and retain commercial clients. This demonstration is of the Simplify the Law Internet Lead Generation service. But remember, we can white label a version of the service for you to deliver to your own clients. I'm going to start this demonstration with Google. It's the place that many businesses will start when looking for legal information. Tap in a search string for the sort of thing they might be interested in, and you can immediately see there are lots of results, both in terms of pay-per-click and also search results. Most law firms couldn't hope to feature on this sort of results list because they just don't have the marketing scale to do so. By clicking on to Simplify the Law that would feature in a results set like this, users will find clear, concise and jargon-free content. To the right, we feature the recommended lawyers that users may turn to if they decide, having read the guidance, that they need advice from a lawyer that knows this area of the law. We profile the lawyer's experience and their contact details and let users know where they are through mapping functionality. No one searches for legal guidance unless they have an issue that needs addressing. The companies looking at your fee earners profiles, like the one on the right hand side of the screen, are by definition companies that need help now. Given they were searching for legal help, it's also likely that they do not have an existing or established relationship with another law firm. By providing guidance for free, we help businesses understand what needs doing and so make an informed decision as to whether they need expert legal advice or not. We also offer the ability for users to draft their own documents for free. I'll show you how in a moment. Companies that use Simplify the Law and go on to contact our recommended lawyers are hot prospects for those firms because they know what needs doing and have clearly decided that they cannot or do not want to do it for themselves. For those that do want to do it for themselves, the drafting application is really easy to use. Click on the link, providing you've registered your details, and you can immediately start to generate a privacy policy in this case. Tap in the details of your company name, the email address at which you can be contacted, and answer the questions and click Next. Clicking through to how this document looks once you've completely drafted it. Have a look at some we did earlier in My Documents. As you can see, there's a privacy policy. Privacy policy in Adobe Acrobat's PDF format. You can also see the information that's been put in through the interview questionnaire. You can go back in and edit any document at any time. And you can see there the information that I put in at the start of that interview process. Reminds me of the question and the answer I provided. Click on that to go back and change the details as I'm doing here. There you can see, Simplify the Law is now in that field. So really easy to create legal documents. Click on Next. It starts to generate and does generate. Offering free documents and free guidance encourages more users to the site than if we ask them to pay for it. It creates a reason for them to register with us so that we can market to them on your behalf and we can profile you against each and every one of these individual commercial areas. We also know from experience in the US that the majority of users that start to draft themselves end up instructing a law firm. We're currently taking applications for membership of Simplify the Law from good independent firms that have the experience and expertise that marks them out as different from the majority of the profession. You can also white label a version of the product to offer to your existing clients. We think this is a great way to add value to existing client relationships, cross-sell different services, and differentiate your firm when winning business. You can find full details on our website at www.evident-legal.com.